Dear students, today class is non-governmental agencies. We have Rockefeller Foundation, Ford Foundation, CARE, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, International Red Cross and Indian Red Cross. First, Rockefeller Foundation. It is philanthropic organization. It was started in 1930 by Mr. John D. Rockefeller. The purpose is to promote the well-being of mankind throughout the world. It was active in public health and medical education, expanded its activities in the advancement of life sciences, social sciences, and agricultural sciences. In the year 1920, it started a scheme for control of hookworm disease in Madras Presidency. All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health was established at Calcutta. Training of competent teachers and research workers. Training abroad of candidates from India through fellowships and travel grants. Sponsoring of visits of a large number of medical specialists from USA. Providing aid to select institutions. Development of medical college libraries. Population studies. Assistance to research projects and institutions. National Institute of Virology, Pune and Field Demonstration Area, Balaghar. The second one, Ford Foundation. It is active in the development of rural health services and family planning. Orientation training centers at Singur, Ponamalli and Najafgarh were set with the help from Ford Foundation. Research cum action projects in environmental sanitation. Pilot project in rural health services, Gandhigram. Establishment of National Institute of Health Administration and Education at New Delhi. Calcutta water supply and drainage schemes was funded. Supported research in reproductive biology and in the family planning fellowship programs. CARE, Cooperative for American Relief Everywhere. It is one of the world's largest independent, non-profit, non-sectarian, non-governmental organization of US, created in 1946. The primary objective of sending food from American donors to people of devastated Europe. It provides emergency aid and long-term development assistance. Today, this organization serves many countries and supplies food packages. Kits are used in vocational training and educational programs. It was providing food for children 6 to 11 years till 1980. It is supporting the Integrated Child Development Services Program in India. The CARE also helps integrated nutrition and health projects, anemia control project, improving women's health project, improve health care project, child survival project, that is child survival and safe motherhood, we will call it CSSM. Improving women's reproductive health and families, Konkan Integrated Development Project. Now the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. It was started by Mr. Bill Gates, the Microsoft Corporation. Started in the year 2000. Its headquarters was located in Washington, D.C. Activities are HIV/AIDS, vaccines for communicable diseases, acute diarrheal diseases, acute lower respiratory infections, child health, poor nutrition, reproductive and maternal health, infectious diseases like tuberculosis, malaria. Avahan AIDS Initiative prevention programs in 6 highest prevalent states, behavior change and condom promotion programs to reduce HIV transmission among high-risk behavior groups, treatment of sexually transmitted infection, community mobilization to empower these vulnerable groups to participate in HIV prevention efforts, supporting initiative in capacity building, communications and research, supports to create an enabling environment in reducing the stigma of HIV or AIDS. Vaccine preventable diseases. These vaccines save lives. They are unavailable to the world's poorest children. 27 million children do not receive basic vaccines every year. 2 million children die of vaccine preventable diseases. Through GAVA, it supports child immunization, hepatitis B vaccination in Andhra Pradesh. Acute diarrheal illness, development of vaccines against major causes, develop drugs to stop life-threatening dehydration, to improve diagnostic tools and treatment, discover new tools and strategies to treat severe diarrhea. Poor nutrition. In this, development and production of fortified foods, developing staple crops with high levels of micronutrients, ensure access to fortified foods, encouraging breastfeeding, improving quality of weaning foods. In the field of reproductive and maternal health, integrated program for HIV or AIDS with those for reproductive health, increase access to contraceptives and other reproductive health supplies, develop new methods and tools for reducing maternal illness and death. International Red Cross. The International Red Cross and Peace Corps of nations, states. It is a non-political, non-official, international humanitarian organization developed to the service of mankind in peace and war. It was founded by Henry Don in 1859. It has branches all over the world, symbolizing the spirit of compassion and universal brotherhood. The role of Red Cross. Humanitarian services like to save the victims of the war, those are suffering from natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, fire accidents, service to the armed forces, service to war veterans, first aid, nursing, health education, mother and child health services. Indian Red Cross, established in year 1920. The objectives are 1. To improvement of health, 2. Prevention of disease, 3. Mitigation of suffering. In peace time, IRC, that is Indian Red Cross, supplies to military hospitals newspapers, periodicals, musical instruments and comfort goods. Red Cross Home, Bangalore, for disabled ex-servicemen, disaster services, famine and floods, distribution of milk, medicines, vitamins and whatever, and MCH services. Junior Red Cross, it gives an opportunity to most of the boys and girls all over the world to be associated with the activities like village uplift, first aid, anti-epidemic work, building of international fraternity for youth, promoting international friendliness, understanding and cooperation. End of the class.